Joe, do you know who introduced microscope in biology?
I don't know, Bob. Will you please tell me?
Okay, I'll tell you. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist who introduced the use of microscope in biology. His microscopes were different from present-day microscopes, but the interesting thing is they are very powerful and could give magnification of 200 to 400 times. He made about 200 microscopes of different magnifications. Joe, this great scientist discovered the existence of several types of microorganisms in water, teeth scrapings, etc. He was the first person to describe bacteria.
Great!
Yes, Joe. Now we will learn about other scientists. William Harvey. William Harvey was an English doctor who made detailed studies on heart and circulation of blood in animals. Using several animals, he demonstrated that blood is pumped out by the heart into the arteries and returns to heart through veins. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist who made significant contribution to the field of microbiology. He showed that heating the food products kills the microorganisms and preserves the quality of food. This process is called pasteurization. Pasteurization is applied even today in our dairy industry to preserve milk. Joe, Louis Pasteur discovered vaccine for anthrax disease in sheep and treatment of rabies. Sir Ronald Ross. Sir Ronald was a British doctor who lived in India. He discovered that mosquitoes spread malaria from person to person. So, his studies gave a vital clue on how malaria spreads from person to person, and also the idea that malaria can be controlled by eradicating mosquitoes. Sir Ronald Ross was given Nobel Prize in 1902 for his great work on malaria, which saved many lives. Ross carried out his work in Hyderabad. James D. Watson and Francis H. C. Crick. Watson and Crick worked on the structure of DNA. DNA is the genetic material and is transferred from parents to children. DNA determines the structure and function of organisms. They proposed that DNA is a double helical structure. This work laid foundations for a new era in biology called molecular biology. Watson and Crick were awarded Nobel Prize in 1962. Dr. Ella Pragada Subbarao. Ella Pragada Subbarao was born in Bhimavaram in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. He was a renowned biochemist and developed methods for the production of several drugs such as folic acid, tetracycline, and anti-cancer drugs. Tetracycline is used for treatment of plague and saved the lives of many people in different parts of the world. He is considered as a wizard of wonder drugs. M.S. Swaminathan. Munkumbu Sambasivan Swaminathan is an agricultural scientist, and through his work, he improved food production in the country. He developed high-yielding hybrid strains of wheat, rice, and jute. Due to his efforts, the food production in country increased within few years. This is called Green Revolution, and he is considered as father of Green Revolution in India. Hargobind Khorana. Hargobind Khorana synthesized zinc in the laboratory, and he is one of the persons who solved secrets of a genetic code. He was given Nobel Prize along with two others in 1986 for his work in genetics and molecular biology. Birbal Sahani. Birbal Sahani was a professor of botany in Lucknow University. He made great contributions to paleobotany, the study of extinct plants. He discovered a group of fossil plants called gymnosperms. Panchanan Maheshwari. Professor Panchanan Maheshwari made significant contributions to plant embryology. He developed a technique called in vitro fertilization, which means fertilization of plants in test tube. He is considered as father of modern plant embryology.
Thank you very much, Bob.